It's Kathy with Fantastic Hobbies, and today I have an unboxing for you. We were just at Universal Orlando for their holidays, and they had some really nice Christmas themed Harry Potter merchandise. And I refrained from most of it, but I did want this stationery set, and I thought I would unbox it with you. I think it would come in handy for the paper crafters out there. Now, you don't have to go to Universal to get this. You can buy this directly off of their website. If you just go to Universal Orlando Resort, make sure you're on the Orlando one. I'm not sure if Hollywood sells this also. But look under the merchandise and the Harry Potter stuff, and you should see it. I just thought I would do an unboxing of this with you because I thought it was rather cute, and it had some things that I might could use otherwise. So let's get to it. Okay, so let me get the tag off of it. Just lay that up there. And let me see if I can figure out how to get into this. I think it just lifts off. Bear with me just a second. I should have already done this. Okay. I was going to show you too on the back. Let's see if I can. Well, that fell out. Okay, it says it's a holiday stationery set, and it's got a checklist pad, a spiral bound notebook, note cards and envelopes, washi tape, sticker seals, mini sticky notes, and 4 hang tags with ribbons. Okay, and this was the whole aesthetic. This went with the aesthetic of the holiday merchandise this year. And I'll throw up a picture. If you go into the Tribute store, if you're going, make sure you go into the Tribute store because there's a photo op. It's not a great photo of me, but they have a pretty cute photo op there. Okay, so everything is falling out now, almost. So we're just going to take a look at everything. So here is your daily checklist, and it's the magnetic, it's your refrigerator pad, and it's all the same items. And here is your spiral bound notebook. Oh, isn't that cute? And all the pages are the same. Sorry for the shadows, guys. I still haven't gotten anything set up yet. It says, stay warm, take a break from the cold. Oh, in the Tribute store, they had a pretty neat display where the butterbeer was like, the cup was filling up. That was a digital thing. And then here is the cards. Let's see. Did it say there was envelopes? Maybe that's the envelopes. Splendid stocking stuffers, window shop on the high street, Outpost, Pygmy Puffs, brooms, Christmas Village gifts galore. And they're just blank on the inside. That's pretty cool. I'm just going to put that over there. And then here are your envelopes. Oh, but it does have somebody on their broom. That's cute. Drinking their butter beer, and they even gave you the ties, the twine. And then I am guessing these are the sticky notes. I'll go ahead and open those. Oh, that's really pretty. I hope they're good sticky notes. A lot of times you get sticky notes and they don't stick. And okay, so not sure if you can tell what this is. Let me see if I can tell. Is this a pygmy puff? But not sure if you can tell in the camera or not, but there's glitter. On this. That's pretty. And then you have the little seals, which there's nothing on the back. They're just stickers, but they almost remind you of a brad. Those are pretty. And then, still attached here is some tags. Oh, those are very cute, and they are double-sided. And then what you're left with here, guys, is a rather nice box. I mean, I will probably take this stuff out and use this on my craft desk. I think I got a good deal. This was like, this was $40. I did get a discount, a pass holder discount on this. And yeah, I think I'm really happy with my purchase. What about you? What do you think? Okay, so that's my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I am certainly going to enjoy these products that I bought from Universal. In case there's not another video before Christmas, hope everyone has a wonderful holiday time. I know probably past Thanksgiving, everybody starts celebrating with the various parties and get-togethers and whatnot. Happy holidays, everybody, and I'll see you on the next video.